Let's unbox and set up the Creality Laser Falcon laser engraver, following the official setup guide included in the box. As soon as we open the package, we find the setup guide and user manual. Inside the box, we have the front and rear X-axis profiles, left and right Y-axis assemblies, power cord and adapter, extra screws, T-shaped nuts, tripods, tools, and the 5-watt laser module. Now let's begin the assembly. First, take the left Y-axis assembly and pass it through the X-axis assembly, making sure the belt is facing upward and routed correctly. Repeat the same process for the right Y-axis assembly. Now assemble the 3 tripods and the control box, locking them with 8 screws. Push the X-axis assembly to the end and ensure it is parallel to the rear X-axis profile. After that, tighten the belt and lock it in place using the hexagon screws. Finally, install the 5-watt laser module onto the fixing plate. Make sure the fixed focus bar touches the surface of the material when the laser module is naturally vertical. And that's it. The Creality Laser Falcon laser engraver is now fully assembled and ready to use.